Hi, I'm Dave Miller. So I want to teach you how to make a hand spray with On Guard. So, there's a lot of things you can do, but we like to keep our hands free from germs because that's how a lot of things get spread, and we just touch things all the time, touch our face. So we want to keep germ free. Now, there's a lot of things out there you can use, different kinds of hand sanitizer and whatnot, and we've used that stuff in the past, but the reason that we didn't want to use it is because then we saw some studies out that this antibacterial, that's actually weakening your immune system as you go along. So why not use something natural? And we like totally love using essential oils to sanitize our hands and clean our hands. So this comes from the doTERRA blog book. You may not have the blog book, but the blog's always available. So if you just Google doTERRA cleansing hand spray, then that's going to come up with this recipe, and it's a really simple recipe. You can use aloe vera as it says in the book, but I really like to use fractionated coconut oil. So basically a bottle of this fractionated coconut oil, and then you're just going to take your little glass bottle and put in about 3 or 4 ounces of coconut oil, and then you just need about 10 to 15 drops of the On Guard essential oil. So we'll just drop those in there. There we go. And I already put in the fractionated coconut oil, and we've got our little spray top. And there you go. Now you got a great hand sanitizer for your hands. You can carry that with you. It's a great natural product, and that's actually going to help support your immune system rather than compromise it. So yeah, just super easy. So I encourage you to make that and use it at home.